Hello everyone. Today we're gonna make a bird with an apple. One apple. Okay, we got one apple and one chopstick. This is the big chopstick, and we have a big knife, and we have a small knife. We're gonna use this. So firstly, we have to cut the apple two pieces. Here will be a bird's head. So it's gonna be like this. We have to cut it like this. Okay, just a little bit nana mini. Do you know how can I say? This is very hard. Ooh. So we cut it. So we'll take this one sheet, apple sheet. Okay, it will be eyes, bird eyes, and two. We have here one more. Let's take two, three. Okay, so now we're gonna use this chopstick. Put it here. Put in the middle. Since it's two. So I'm going to cut it out here. Yes. But now this one gonna be apples. I'm gonna use this knife. Okay, now get from here. Okay. And here. Oh shit. It's ready. Put in the water and keep it this one. Two. Now I'm gonna keep this one for eyes. We're gonna make apple's body. So firstly, cut from here. Okay. Here is apple bird's ass, oshiri. And this is front. Okay. Bismillah. Okay, this is ready. So I'll put in the water and take it back. And take it back. Okay, this is ready. Now we're gonna do same things 3 or 4 times. But the knife is not really good. Okay. Bismillah. Two. Three. Okay. It's going to be like this, okay? You see? And now this side. Okay. This side, okay? Here, it's ready, okay? One, You see, same things. This is the lemon water, okay? Lemon water. When you put in the lemon water, the apple doesn't come to be black color, okay? You can keep it fresh. You got it? So we need a little water with a lemon juice and put a little salt. It's fine. Make a little small one if you can do it. Yes. We did it, okay. So now this is ready, okay? The body is ready now. You got it? So let's make a hat. And put one more here. Okay, you did? You see that? You can put the hat up here, okay? You got it? At this time, we need a little the small things like we call smayoji or a chopstick is fine. Okay. See that? Great. So now let's make eyes. Eye. Bird eye. Okay. One is here. On this side. Yes. So now we're gonna make shippo. Tail, yes. So put that here. We need one plate. Let me bring one plate. Okay. Smiko. Yeah. Looks nice. Okay, so now, so this is it's a little different style. We have to start from the top, one by one. You see, like this. You see. Come on, baby. Of course, this side too. Yes. Okay, maybe one more. Yes, we did it one more. This is the first part of top. And now we're gonna make a side. This is the side, okay? One. Two. Maybe one more. It would be great if we can do it. Yes, we did it. You gotta see the tripod, okay? This is side, and let's do this side as well. One. Let's put up here. Two. Maybe one more. Yes, we did it. So now let's get a tripod, right? Same on left and right side, same, okay? And top. Top is fourth side. Okay, it's fourth part. So now we need a Smayoji. Smayoji, where is Smayoji? Must be here. Okay, we found Smayoji. Okay, so we have a chicken here. Bird. Okay, and this. Here we go. Yes. Yes. De kita. Sema-chan, Mine-chan mite. Look. A chili pom pom. How is it? Good? Okay, hi, finish.